The pet accessory industry sees more than $30 billion a year. Yeah. Let's give you 5 ways to put some of that money in your pocket so you can be flush with cash. In fact, it's such a quality opportunity. In this video, we're going to give you 6 at no extra charge. Let's get started. Number 0 is pet signs. People love to have signs throughout their home, nearby their pet carriers, or maybe out in the yard as a warning to other pets. Take a good design, make it across multiple materials. You really have an opportunity to explore creativity here and make some money. Personalization can be key, regionalization can be key. All the things we talk about with sign making apply here with pets. Lots of fun stuff. Lots of jokes to be had. Put this one in the front yard. Number 1, food bowl stations. So many opportunities here for different designs. Single bowl, double bowl, triple bowl, small bowls, big bowls. Folks sometimes have multiple water bowls throughout the house or outside for their cats and dogs. You can win on design or utility with this item. You can make them tall, short, kind of a limitless opportunity here with food bowls. This one I put together just with a little bit of paw print on the outside. These bowls just slip in. The economics of this 100% work in your favor. This selection of bowls, $2, $4, and $6. Stainless steel, work great. Pull them off Amazon, put together some designs. I think you're gonna do well with food bowls. No matter what you're creating, you're adding to your art library. Having a solid collection of original files gives you a base of creativity to lean on when needed and jump off to get super creative. The time put into a single project is not about just that one project. The more you make, the better your stuff is going to get. And the better your stuff gets, the more customers you're gonna find. Number 2 on the list is leash hooks. This is a huge opportunity. Everyone who has a dog has a leash hook, and even some people with cats, oddly enough. This is basically a sign that you screw hooks onto. So be creative. Everything that you could possibly do with a sign, you can definitely do with a leash hook. V-carve, insets, epoxy, spray paint, masking, materials of all kinds. You can offer single hooks, double hooks, or how about double single hooks? Inexpensive hooks from the big box store or Amazon plus your creativity. Leash hooks are about the easiest money you're gonna get, might be the closest that you ever get to a money tree. Whether you're gonna sell these on Etsy or in person at a craft fair or maybe to friends and family or people around the neighborhood that you know, leash hooks are a thing where you could give away 1 and you could sell 5. Number 3 is pet furniture, all the way up to full modern dog houses or pet beds. You can design these in flat pack format to be shipped and then assembled on site. Word of mouth around town is another way to generate sales. Dog people talk. They're out walking their dogs, they're having play dates. This is an opportunity for your information to get passed on. If you're gonna ship your creations, you may not wanna rebuy the same bed online. Go ahead and purchase one, build around that, the client can purchase that, you can flat pack ship your other half, bang, they put them together on site. Don't bother having to reship something that could be sent directly to the client. If you're gonna sell locally, make sure you buy the beds and they're already incorporated to the full item you're selling to the customer. This particular one is an $11 bed, would be good for cats or small dogs. A stroller would be sold separately. Just weird. Let's talk about customers. You don't want customers, you want patrons. A customer buys 1 or 2 things one time. A patron buys multiple items across many transactions. They are looking for unique and quality items, not the cheapest thing. A patron also talks about you and promotes your business. You'll have both, but you want to cultivate patrons in your clientele. Number 4 is pet tags. Here you're going to have a little bit of competition. Inside Petco, there's a thing called Fido. They have lots of different pet tags. They have a machine it can be done on. That's the mass market semi-customization thing that's happening there. You are gonna have to up your game. Your designs will set you apart. I think there's another opportunity here though. I think leashes and leash tags is something you could definitely do. There are plenty of clips on many of the leashes and you can go ahead and design something to hang on there that identifies a leash or is just fun. People spend money on their pets for fun, for decoration, just because they like it. Put together a few good designs, show it, exploit that territory with your creativity and your machine's capability. Number 5, cat play boxes. There are lots of dog people out in the world. Maybe you're a dog person, but you're gonna have to find your clientele where they live. Lots of money gets spent on cats. grooming them, feeding them, see the food stations, and entertaining them. Play boxes can have a variety of shapes. They can come in a whole bunch of different themes. Just like the pet beds, buy some toys and incorporate them into your designs. Cats love to investigate and reach for stuff. Owners love seeing their feline friends be amused. I used 1/4-inch plywood for this particular build. It might be a little bit too big. You could go more square. It didn't have any problem getting played with in my house by the 2 orange people that live there. Materials, dimensions, and original art are all up to you. Offer basic versions and premium upgrades. Names, graphics, materials. This is just plywood. You could go to full walnut, maple, or other hardwoods. The options here are all up to you, and it depends on your clientele. With any of these categories, if you sell a few more than you normally do, go ahead, lean in, exercise your design capability, exercise what you can do with your machine, and you'll sell more. This by no means was the end of the list. Ornaments, pet names, coasters, keychains, a rack for any kind of pet food. Go ahead and put whatever you think of into the comments below. Let's expand what's possible for people. And we'll be back here in the studio with more information, ideas, and inspiration.